Yeah. So much. This is our modern day corral. It's made out of aluminium, or actually steel, or stainless steel. And it is imported from Australia. The beauty of it is that you can be able to divide your cows, be able to take care of their health, and also be able to make sure that you know when you need to vaccinate them. Not just to vaccinate them for the sake of it, but to take care of them. I would like to encourage you to think of local artisans who can be able to come here and look at how the West have been able to make it easy to take care of their cows. We're here today with about 150 cows all together. In this kraal or cow barn, we can put about 150 cows on this side and 150 cows on the other side. The beauty of this is one which I want to show you, is that if you want to load your cows into a truck, instead of looking for a place which is elevated, you simply open this gates here and allow the cows to pass by there and get into the truck. But the other beauty is that whenever you want to vaccinate your cows or to take care of them, look at their health, fix their wolves, you have a veterinary center here that you can be able to really take care of them. Just put them here, open the gates. You can open this one small gate, take care of the wolves. If you have to anything to do with the top part, you can also open this gate. You can open this one slowly like that, and then just take care of it. But the beauty, come on, is that you simply open here. After you are done, open the other side, and the cows can actually be able to pass here. As simple as that. And you want to close, you just put it in like that and close it. Now, from this end, you can see there's still a lot of space. The cows will be able to sit here. There are about 150 cows here with all their calves. We have a second part which I will walk you through. It is on this side. Open that gate. And this is the point where you isolate your cows. If you want to take care of them, you isolate them here. No one can be able to take. You'll come and you'll close that gate very easily. Close that gate. And then if you want to go out, you can go with another gate, or you simply open this one, push it in this direction, and then now come into the other kraal that you can decide to put another 150 cows. So you can do 150, 150 with a very short space. This is definitely the way to go. I encourage you to get into livestock farming. It would really help solve most of our problems. The biggest challenge we have is that now we are being forced to vaccinate our cows without them getting sick. I want to encourage you not to agree to vaccinate your cows. Continue taking care of your cows. You've always taken care of them. You don't have to do mass vaccination. If there is a problem, vaccinate them. It is like human beings. You don't just get a vaccine, or you don't get any kind of bacteria injected into you when you're not well, you know, or when you're well. You only do so when you're not well, so that you can be able to get well. So my advice to you is this: stay put, invest in livestock, and take good care of yourself.
Yeah.